So I'm an ardent follower of Adeshalami, and recently I came across a wonderful video where she showed us some reliable platform where we can earn money for doing simple tasks online. And of course, I decided to try out the site. I'm going to be sharing my review on each and every one of the sites, and at the end of this video, I'm recommending a powerful site that you as a Nigerian can earn money from. So you have to stick with me to the end of this video, and do not forget there'll be a tutorial on how you can also use this site. All right, now before we dive into the video, we are going to be having some few disclaimers. Now, before you engage on sites that pay you to do things for them, do not share sensitive information. Do not share your sensitive information. And when it comes to making money, when it comes to the rewards, it depends on your individual effort, of course, and the platform policies. And like I tell people, do not expect substantial income from this website. This cannot replace your salary. Sometimes if you want to waste your data and get paid, just go to the site. Now you have to protect your privacy at all costs. Avoid sharing your financial information. All right. Some of those websites would allow you to will ask you to drop exactly what you earn or your earning range. You have to be careful, and legitimate sites would also respect your confidentiality. Some of this website told me that I'm not in their any reach, so I couldn't take part in there. I'm going to be sharing with you those platforms, so you don't have to worry yourself. And engaging in this in online surveys and tasks can be a great way to earn some extra income, and reward. And these platforms, what they do is seek your opinion on product and services. And while some are quick and straightforward, others require more time. So it is very important that you choose reputable sites and manage your expectation regarding income earnings. All right, this is not going to give you plenty of money in one day. It takes time. That is why I told you I'll be sharing a wonderful platform at the end of this video, where you can make money even as a Nigerian. I would also be dropping other sites that even Americans and people living in other countries can also take part in, but I'm fully concerned, or I'm going to be focusing on Nigerians actually. So the first website that I tried out was this surveyo.com. Now surveyo.com is a powerful website. I went through it. I registered on it, and I discovered that you can actually change your location, because I think it's actually focused on you can change your location. It has diverse surveys across different industries. There's variety of topics that you can engage with, and the payment is from cash to gift cards, and you can participate when you actually want. But I noticed that this require a particular age range, and also require a particular financial status, or let's say financial range. So I couldn't take part in this particular site. So I am not going to recommend surveyo.com. But if you're outside the country, you're in Nigeria, and you like to participate, if your any range or your age range works with this particular website, of course, why not give it a trial? You're free. Just go online and type surveyo.com and register. The number 2 website I tried was paidwork.com. Now paidwork.com is actually Nigerians can use this too, and other people can do this too. But paidwork.com, the same way Surveyo recommended, they needed a particular age range. If you're within the 20s, I think you can't use this website, so you just have to just forget about it. For me, this is my from my point of view. Now Survey Pop is not a Nigerian thing. You just cannot do it. Let's just leave it for the Americans. All right. Then we have Eureka. Eureka is not for Nigerians too. You just have to forget about it. If you have friends abroad, or you have people, if you're from America watching this, you can try this out. It's very much reliable. We have Pay, just like Eureka and the rest, is also restricted. Nigerians cannot take part in this platform. We have Surveyor is worldwide. Both Nigerians and other persons living abroad can actually take part in this particular survey. But I tried it, and of course, like I said before, most of these websites requires a particular range and a particular financial range, of course, and age range. I really do not know, because these persons, they use it for research, so it might not be to your taste. You just have to keep trying. Maybe you find one eventually. Banana box, what Nigerians and um Americans can use this. And this website actually has an app, so it's very much reliable. You can try it out. And when I tried it though, they referred me to another website, but just try, it might work for you. TGM panel, um Nigerians can work on TGM panel, you understand, but the surveys are actually very much restricted. You really cannot find much surveys, and if you even find, they will be asking you, you have to be within a particular range and age, financial and age range, do not forget. So this is out of the question, this is out of the option for me. I would not recommend this. Now this is from my point of view, you understand. Do not forget, it's from my point of view. Others can have a different view about this. This is my point of view. Emphasis on my point of view. We have future points. Now future points, Nigerians can take part in this, but of course, like every other, like its brothers and sisters, you need to be within a particular financial range and a particular age range. And do not forget, like I said at the beginning, or at the beginning of this video, do not share sensitive financial information. Be very careful. Where this is the most powerful of them all. This is my number one website. I will recommend this anytime, any day. I tried Ysense and it was everything and more. This was the last website I tried out. I don't know, it was the last one. In fact, I already gave up on all the websites, and then I tried this and it was to my taste. You can play games, you can carry out daily polls, you can take part in surveys, different surveys, though the time is a bit longer. But like I told you, do not expect substantial income from these websites. So if you want to waste your data, or you want to get paid for using your data, I think you should be able to register on Go Online, register on Ysense. And do not forget, I have a tutorial video on how you can use this website. Right after this, you're going to be watching the tutorial video on how you can use Ysense, and how you can take part in polls, in surveys, in offers, and the rest, and earn money. So Ysense is a very interesting platform. As you can see, you can play games, and you're seeing the amount. You can play games, you can play you can take surveys. The first thing you have to do when you click on this website, that's ysense.com, is for you to sign up. I already have an account, so there will be no need for me signing up. All I need to do is to come here and do my thing. Of course, you click on this the 3 column bars at the the left side, and this is me. When you come here, you see your survey. You can go through your survey, complete survey, history, daily poll, and the rest of that. Now let's take our daily poll for today, as I no longer have any survey available. I'm going to click on daily poll. Let's wait for it to load. The question says, today is National Leftovers Day. When you eat leftovers, do you eat them as is or get creative? Leftover? Okay. I think the answer for me, I would rather get creative and make something new. For example, if I have a leftover stew, I rather maybe turn the leftover stew into jollof rice, right? So I think the answer is to get creative. For me, now do not forget that survey works with what you think. They want to know what exactly you think. They want to know how exactly you see this thing. You understand? They want to read your mind, because a lot of researchers use these things. Some of the statistics you see online or on Google, they tell you, okay, 80% of this happens, 90% of this happens. This is because a lot of persons, or some persons, have come together to answer those questions, to answer questionnaires, right? So I'm going to choose, of course, option 2. You see this blue something showing up, vote now and earn 1 cent. When I click on it, a lot of persons choose it as is. 21% chose get creative and make something new. 25%, it depends on what the leftovers are. Others, 2%, I don't eat leftovers, 12%. So this is going to help them. Now, if you come to my dashboard, if I come to my dashboard, let's wait for it to load. You see there are surveys. Can you see this? They recommended this for me. This is going to be in 27 minutes, and I'm going to earn 1.31 cents, $1.31. And you see, they make sure, please take your time to read questions and answer them truthfully, or your account may be blocked. Honesty is a key thing when you want to do. It's very much important that you're honest, because this thing, like I told you before, they're used for surveys. You see a lot of them, the CPS research surveys, the poll fish surveys, they don't have any surveys. BitLab do not have. I think CPS has one. The price tag is also there, 0.22 cents, of course. Now, usually they will give me some questions right here where I get to earn 0.1 cents per question. Of course, I get to earn, yeah, but then I have answered all the questions we have for now, so I have to check later and see. So thank you so much. This is a very reliable platform. Like I said, you can play games, you can do whatever it is on this wonderful platform. So all right, I forgot to add the payment method, of course. So when you come right here, you click on cash out. So as you can see, to claim your reward, you would have to, it doesn't go right to your bank account, of course, if you're a Nigerian. So it's either you have an Amazon account, Amazon GBP, Skrill account, Amazon DE, Payoneer, and I think the popular account, you have the PayPal. Yeah, PayPal. But for me, I'm going to be using the Skrill account. So when I get up to $5, I'm going to be showing us how we can use the Skrill account to withdraw our money. So stay tuned and do not miss out. Thank you. I'm going to be dropping my referral link in the comment section where you can get to copy and register directly. In my next video, I'll be sharing with you a wonderful grant, a grant that you can apply for as a Nigerian or an African. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button if you found this video helpful. You don't want to miss out on amazing content. So like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.